I think I just found an AI crypto that could be a banger under $5 million market cap. So I'm going to dive into it, guys. I just recently had this team on my space. This is a project that has been building for a year, well before their launch, and all of their utilities were ready to go. This is something I look for, especially in a utility project. I don't like necessarily the projects who raise all this money and basically say, hey, we're going to do this massive pre-sale. We need all of your money to build what we want to do, right? If you guys don't have the money to build what you want to do, it kind of comes off, a little bit wrong, right? At least get some VC backing if you've got a great idea. Don't just go right to the public. Some pre-sales are okay. But anyway, this project we're going to talk about is very, very interesting because they are working in the area of GPU nodes. And they allow us, the user, to generate revenue by lending out what they've built. And I'll show you all about it in this video. I think it's very fascinating, interesting business model, really caught my eye. And I wanted to bring them on the Breakfast Club, which I did, and wanted to make a video about them. I'll leave the links down below for you guys to check out too. You guys can dive a little deeper if you like what you see. And there are a lot of things to like about the AI cryptocurrency sector right now. Tons of gems out there. So the one we're talking about today is called Nodely AI. It's built on Ethereum. You guys can see a little less than 6,000 followers here on X. And they have a GPU marketplace. And they're onboarding more GPUs almost like every week right now. They have over 400 plus GPUs listed for rent or sale on the website and their mobile app marketplace. Nodely AI website and mobile app GPU marketplace platform is growing at a fast speed. 1,000 plus GPUs inbound here in Q1. And they're aiming to be kind of the Amazon equivalent for renting, hosting, buying, and selling GPUs. With all of these, AI agents and the influx of AI technology, GPUs are needed. Like, this is a necessary problem to solve. And their token node, their token here is currency payment option on the marketplace now with a lower advantageous service fee on GPU rentals. So they have a nice built-in use case for the actual token itself. And the token here, you guys can see, is sitting right now at a $3.73 million market cap. It's sitting on support from back in December. They did go ahead and launch back in September. And it was a slow grow, right? As it should be for a new cryptocurrency project. Then they started building back up in November. They hit some peaks here in December a couple different times. And then January 1st, they popped up over a penny, almost got to 2 cents. They're back down right now. And it could be an interesting time to take a look at this token as a potential investment opportunity. Now, it's not just about the token, right? Because I mentioned their actual business model behind here as well. And it's very interesting. And I see some people, some familiar faces following the project, which I always like to see as well. A lot of people interested in AI that I also, interact with following the project. Stuff I always look at, with new projects. But unlock the power of GPU rental and lending. Decentralized GPU website and mobile app computing platform. You could download the app, and then they've got their marketplace right here. Average monthly revenue, $51,000+. They have 33 active nodes, 33 total GPUs, and a big waiting list as well. They're decentralized. They've got their marketplace. They've got a stake and earn feature. You can rent nodes. They've got their mobile app. And again, iOS and Google Play stores available there. You can lend your GPUs from others for powering applications requiring massive computing power for running, these deep learning models, AI apps. And then they've got their pricing here with the breakdown here across the board. Show you how to buy the token. Obviously, we mentioned it's on Ethereum, and you can get access there. Now, they did have a pre-sale, and it went pretty well. And then 10% going to centralized exchange, 10% of revenue for GPU node expansion, 30% of revenue for team and maintenance costs, 60% of revenue for business growth and expansion. Total supply is 1 billion tokens, 0 buy, 0 sell tax. I always like that. There's 5 of these individuals on their team. And the person who I talked with, the leader of this team, has over 15 years of business experience in Web 2 within advertising in the United Kingdom. Martin on the team has experience in the GPU industry. They're all on board here. They are a registered business. And again, they launched last September in 2024. They are looking for a long-term push when it comes to being a big problem solver when it comes to GPUs. And they plan to have over 1,000 GPUs listed on the marketplace by March of 2025. And I mentioned this at the top. They built all the utilities last year. They privately paid for the team. It cost a lot of money, thousands of dollars to build the mobile app. Mobile apps are not cheap, okay? And the GPU marketplace website. So these guys are going all in, trying to solve a big problem in the space. And highly encourage you guys to check it out. And I'll leave the links down below for you guys to do so. And there are some frequently asked questions here, like who is the team? How can you buy the token? What is Nodely AI? We mentioned a decentralized platform connecting users to GPU and AI resources, enabling users to benefit from the fast evolving landscape of AI. Nodely AI ensures a transparent and secure ecosystem where everybody can engage in various capacities. So very interesting idea here. I think this is one that has staying power, in my opinion, as well, and definitely one for you guys to look into. You guys can see right now a little over 3,200 holders right now of the token. So it's still relatively early here. And that on-chain market cap right now at $3.8 million. And we're going to continue to track this one. Thanks so much for the team for reaching out and wanting a review. And I was happy to do so. Happy to dive into the project a little deeper. Do not take this and run with it. Hop in their Telegram, see what you see. Use this as a starting block for your research on Nodely AI. I appreciate the team for sponsoring the video and you guys for watching it. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Again, links are down below if you want to look into this a little bit deeper.